2S, 5,000 milliamp, 50C. This is what we're getting. Nice. Woo, awesome. This thing rips. Let's race it on the track. How good am I? Not that good. Even for 2S, it's decent speed on the grass. I'm loving it. Nice. Nice. Whoa. Nice. Nice, that was awesome. All right, let's see this. Oh yeah, that was sick. Look how fast it is. Oh my God, it's got air over there. Nastiness. Nice. Oh shit. Okay, we just popped the camera up. That was crazy. Camera didn't come off. The housing did. We're still good, and we're still recording. So. Wow. You would like break your legs if you hit yourself. Look at the speed. Look at the speed. Let's come up the hill. Nice. Whoa, that sparked. Damn. Whoa. Oh, I'll fix that. I'll fix all the grass. Nice. Yeah, up. Hi, buddy. Stop. You're no spaz. You're such a spaz. Nice. Oh. I think we snapped the wing off. Finally broke the wing. Crazy, crazy. Oh my God. Hi, buddy. It's a toy. Ah. Oh, good puppy. Speed test. Whoops. Yeah, we broke the nose. It's okay, I'll order a new one, no worries. We'll get right back in action. It was good that it hit the rubber and broke, so we can find out what the weak point is, which is right here. When you're smashing it off car tires at like 25 miles an hour or 30, this is what's gonna break, okay, everybody? So you might wanna think about upgrading this. But, you know, order one, have it on reserve for when you do smash into something super fast. But that's good to know. I don't think I broke the shocks. No broken shocks, just the broken nose or whatever this piece is called. We'll get to ordering one of those and we'll replace that. No big deal. All right, this wing has had its day. Bye, wing. I'm gonna order a new shock tower, because that's what broke the shock tower. It's all good, they break. All right, we got the new wing on. We got the new camera mount on. Back in business. Also made a new double. Beautiful, right? We'll be doing that soon. Now I just gotta get the new front shock tower. See you in that clip. Typhon 223S. We got some good stuff today. This was an eBay purchase, so let's pray that it's the right part. Yay, we are very happy. So let's install this new piece. This one is for the rear, of course, so we can save that. When we do smash the rear, we got a backup. So for like 15 bucks, I got these 4, I don't even know what parts those are, but extra parts, I'll take them. If you would like to see a video of me disassembling the entire front end and reassembling just to get the cover on, then click the link, because I should have a quick video on that. All right, that's more what I was looking for. So we're ready to go. Let's get back out there, test it out on the jump, and bring it to the little loop, and try to not beat the crap out of it. Nice. Jump works great, car works great, we're happy. We're not breaking anything yet. Sick. Can't believe how long we're going today without breaking anything. S ripping it up. Oops. All right, back out here with this thing. Let's just rip it up. Finally not raining. Like 3 days of rain. It's a nice 32 degrees out right now. We got the 2S in it at the moment. This thing is nasty. Time to mow the lawn. Sick. Sweet. All right, you don't want to do that, people. Nastiness. Damn tree. I actually prefer this kind of terrain for this car. I feel like this car is like an F1 race car, but you got it off-road with off-road tires. It's good to be a big little kid. This thing just grinds. It's a grinder. They should have just called it the grinder. Oh my God. You guys can't do that? Hell yeah. Cleared the tree. Hell yeah. A little rough over there. Oh, oh tree, you're so funny. Really? Oh, really now? What kind of a tree is this? This looks like a hickory tree. Hickory tree. Oh, young hickory tree, you keep grabbing my RC car from me. Oh, young hickory tree, we got some low voltage, which means no more electricity. All right. Awesome session. We're hot, but we're not that hot. It's hot, but probably 35 degrees out at the moment. So yeah, we'll let it cool for a few minutes and then move on to the 3S batteries. 2 3S batteries. So let's rip it up even more. Time to truly till the earth. 3S coming at you. Come on. Sick. Nice. Oh, culprit. Oh, we broke the wing again. This thing cannot take too many smashes upside down. Oh, let's try for more speed. Smash the shit out of it. Culprit, hotter than the 2S for sure. So we'll let it cool down for a bit. I'm going to assume that we bent both shocks again. This thing cannot handle any kind of rough bashing with the stock shocks. So I already ordered the 6S upgrade shocks. And supposedly they have a very strong center shaft that's already hardened that shouldn't bend or break, but I can already see that bent. Well, whatever. I'm going to run the last battery anyway, so let's just let it cool down. All right, let's beat the crap out of this thing once again. Who cares about the front shocks? Let's just beat them up, right? Do they work? Do they not work? Who cares?
Like a spinal injury, that landing.
Oh God, yeah. They call it bashing. Broken shocks, broken ramp. We're still having a good time. Bent shock shafts, broken fin. 3S battery. This thing's still just eating it. Like that, just eating it. Isn't this exactly what this thing's designed for? Bashing, ripping. Nice. Low voltage. All right, we know what we gotta fix over here. All we broke is the wing. We bent the front shocks again, but who cares? I can bend them back. We're gonna fix this. My God, it's been like a week trying to work on just trying to have some fun with this thing. Things keep breaking, and I keep breaking my ramps, so live and learn. So see you in the next clip when I get all this working again. All right, where we at with this thing? Well, I straightened out both shocks because I did bend them. The wing fixed. Look at that. I drove a bolt right through the two pieces to kind of lock them together, then epoxy the crap out of it. Look at that awful job. But for now, I think we're gonna get out there and still use it and break it again, right? Because what's the fun if we can't use this thing when we have 4 batteries for it? The ramp, all I did was drive deeper screws into the piece of 1x3, so they sank down. I used the original screws originally that came with the hinge, and that was a bad idea. They were like an inch, not long enough. Much like the ones up top up here, so they'll rip out next. I'll just put deeper screws in there when I need to. We're back in action. This thing's ready to go, so 2 ramps, but I'm only gonna take 1. Let's get back out there. Sick. I mean, that's what happens when you're out here trying to have fun. Nice. That's what it's all about. Nice. Wow. Oh my God. Nice. See if we can hit this one a little bit. Whoops. Low voltage. Wow, what did we break? Yeah, the shocks still work. We just broke the wing. That's it. Wow. Well, that was awesome. Really fun out here with this car. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and tune in for more fun in the future. All right, see you guys later.